Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Cooking for Body and Soul. Today's recipe is coconut pudding. It is creamy, flavorful, sweet and super simple to make. Perfect as a snack or dessert, it takes very less time to whip this up. Before we move on, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. I'll be using 1.5 cup of coconut milk, 2 to 3 teaspoons of gelatin, quarter cup of sugar, half cup condensed milk, few almonds and cashews. I am using baker's gelatin as it's halal. You can also use china grass or agar agar as well. To a bowl add 1.5 cups of coconut milk, half cup of condensed milk or Milkmaid, mix this well till it's well combined. Transfer the gelatin to a glass. Bring water to a boil. Fill half the glass with boiling water. Now place the glass in the water and double boil the mixture. Mix well till the gelatin dissolves completely. Now add this to the bowl and mix everything really well. Pop this in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 hours. Chop the almonds and cashews coarsely. To a pan add 1 teaspoon of butter. Before the butter melts, add in quarter cup of sugar. You can adjust the sugar as per your taste. Mix this well and wait for it to melt. You can see that the sugar has started to melt. The flame has to be low. Now mix this. Our caramel is done. Turn off the flame. Add in the chopped nuts. Give this a quick mix. And transfer this to a plate greased with ghee. Now spread this out evenly. Let this sit on the counter till it becomes firm. Now break it into pieces. Add this to a bag and crush it using a rolling pin like this. Now transfer this to a plate. So our caramelized nuts are done. It's been 4 hours. Now let's check our pudding. So our pudding is all set. Let's garnish this before serving. You can be innovative here and garnish with whatever you like. This coconut pudding is a no-fuss dessert that is always a hit at get-together parties. It's super simple to make, yet delicious. Do give this recipe a try and let me know how it turned out for you. Keep coming back to my channel for more interesting recipes.
Like, share and subscribe. And thank you for all the love and support.